Welcome to the Hydraulic Press channel. Today we have iPhone 7. And thank you for guys in Fonum. Because of them we have this here on launch date. Yeah, but let's see how the press can handle this iPhone. Nyt. Some smoke but no fire, so I think the iPhone battery is quite safe. Yeah, and we have lovely smell of lithium-ion battery, which is quite familiar here to us. And now we are going to stay back for a while because it can still explode. And now is the moment of truth. We are going to take the iPhone out of the tools, or at least try. The lower part is, I think that is stuck in there and it won't come off very easy. Maybe no, I think those upper and lower parts of the iPhone are now part of my pressing tools, and they will be crushing some shit on the future because they are not coming out. Yeah, I think this is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And for today's extra content, we have this extremely dangerous 3.5mm headphone jack. It is extremely dangerous and may attack at any time, so we must deal with it.